Nearly one-third of the world's soil is already damaged, and our current farming methods are only adding to this damage. The agriculture system feeds billions on the planet, but in the current situation, it's also draining the planet, using over 70% of our fresh water, releasing massive greenhouse gases, and depleting soil faster than it can recover. The very system that is meant to feed billions on the planet has become one of the biggest reasons the planet is starving. Starving for clean air, fertile soil, and ecological balance. Even the farmers are struggling to sustain their livelihoods because unpredictable weather, crop failures, and declining soil health keep rising year after year. But we are entering a phase where all of this is beginning to transform, which can actually lead to a better agriculture future. The same artificial intelligence that is shaping our digital lives is starting to reshape the soil too. Not to replace the farmer, but to help the earth restore its balance. From predicting droughts to managing water use and improving soil health, AI can redefine how we can improve the lives of the farmers while caring for the planet that feeds us. In this sustainability and AI case study, we'll explore how artificial intelligence can help both the farmers and the earth thrive together using the 3P lens: the practical lens, the profitable lens, and the purposeful lens. So let's begin. For generations, farming has relied on experience, knowing when the rains will come and how the soil will respond. But in the past few years, things have changed a lot. Climate patterns are less predictable, and it's getting really hard to keep the soil healthy. AI is now helping farmers in dealing with these changing conditions, not as a way to replace humans or their experience, but just as a way to guide them through these changing times. AI can help farmers see what probably human eye cannot. Let's see it with an example. By using data from satellites, soil sensors, and local weather systems, AI can identify what each field actually needs, how much water to give, when to irrigate, and how to prevent overuse of fertilizer. With this knowledge, farmers can plan sowing and harvesting based on data, not guesswork. They can respond to early signs of drought, prevent pest outbreak, and choose crops that restore soil health instead of depleting it. And it's not just a theory, we already have early examples of it. From AI-powered weather forecasting to smart irrigation and soil monitoring tools, all of them are helping farmers make more informed choices. But their real potential lies in scale. When these tools reach small farmers globally, where climate uncertainty is more severe, then we'll actually start to see real progress in agriculture. If applied wisely, AI could help transform agriculture from one of the biggest drivers of climate change into a system that actively fights climate change by reducing emissions, better soil management, and less resource waste, including water. That's what practical sustainability looks like. Technology that helps humans work with nature, not against it. Farming today faces both environmental and economic pressure. With rising costs, unpredictable weather, and changing market demands, it's getting harder for farmers to know if their hard work will ever pay off. But AI can reduce this uncertainty. For example, when farmers know which crops will thrive in changing weather, how to use just the right amount of water or fertilizer, and when to sell for the best market price, profit stops depending on luck and starts depending on data. In the near future, AI could also open new income pathways for farmers, like getting paid for using eco-friendly methods or qualifying for small loans when they can prove their farms are sustainable. This is where sustainability becomes practical economics, not just as a charity for the planet, but also as a system that strengthens the livelihoods of farmers. Because true sustainability is profitable when the people who protect the land, the farmers, are also the ones who benefit from it. When innovation supports both the people and the planet, it creates systems that are not just greener, but also fairer. Farming has always been about feeding people. For generations, farmers have worked really hard to produce enough food for a growing world. But the pressure to produce more has often come at a cost. And that cost is the imbalance in soil, in water, and in climate that makes it all possible. Artificial intelligence offers a chance to restore that balance. By tracking things like temperature, soil moisture, and weather patterns, it helps farmers understand what their land needs to stay healthy. It's not about replacing farmers, it's about giving them better tools to make decisions that protect both their farms and the environment. If directed consciously, AI can help prevent problems like drought or soil loss before they happen. That means more stable harvests and a more sustainable planet. The real purpose of technology is not just to make farming faster, but to make it smarter and more responsible. So, time to look at all the three P's together. Practically, AI can make farming more efficient and adaptive to a changing climate. Profitably, it can bring stability and fairness to the people who grow our food. Purposefully, it can ensure that innovation supports and sustains the planet rather than draining it. The future of farming can be enhanced with AI, and we can finally help farmers with stable income and a stress-free, dignified life. But for this future to happen, we would need to scale AI responsibly for every farmer, everywhere. As always, the research studies used in this video are linked down below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep building a better you.